Hey everyone, I've got a new demonstration video here today to share with you. This is our latest set of navigation lights. These are specifically designed for the Legend Hobbies OA1K Skyraider 2. This is a new model that is just coming out. I think it's available for pre-order. It's a big model, 118-inch wingspan. As a result, we've got a little bit longer wires on our wingtip strobes and on our navigation lights. These are all 72-inch long, each one. The circuit features 2 wingtip strobes, 3 navigation lights or position lights, and a couple of lights for the nose cone. And let me show you how it works here. We've got 3 modes. As the channel is low, of course, everything is off. And then as you advance the channel, the first thing that comes on are the wingtip strobes and the 3 position lights. Green for the right wingtip, red for the left, and a white tail cone light for the rudder area. And then we've got the 2 white wingtip strobes. You'll notice they are blinking in a quick double blink asynchronous pattern. And then as you advance the channel past the center of the channel, you'll see that the landing light or the nose cone lights come on. Now we're going to be also developing a set of drop-down landing lights that will mount in the bottom of the wing that will include servos that drop down, a couple of landing lights that have chrome reflectors, and these can be used in conjunction with the navigation lights or in place of. If you don't want to install the navigation lights, you can just install the drop down, or you can use them all, and the circuits can be mixes can be programmed so that the nose cone lights here come on when the drop down lights move down and turn on. So it's going to be a complete package. And again, this is for the Legend Hobbies OA1K Skyraider 2 that is being introduced right now. Let me give you another quick look at the 3 modes. Mode 1 is all lights off. Mode 2 is wingtip strobes and position lights on. And then mode 3 is for the nose cone lights to come on. Of course, that's all switchable from your transmitter. So I'm going to upload this to YouTube and let you guys have a look at this. Thanks.